Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily stop getting messages or requests on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile icon, tap at menu icon and select settings. Then tap at privacy, scroll down until you find messages, and at other people section tap at others on Instagram. And now it says that message requests from other accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message requests folder unless you choose not to receive them. So if you want to stop getting messages requests, just select don't receive requests, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.